This is 2 cups of flour, a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, half a teaspoon baking soda, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Next, I'm going to add a half a cup of cold butter. This is a half a cup of butter, a 2/3 cup of chocolate chips, and a teaspoon of vanilla. And I'm going to put it in the food processor so the butter will mix with everything and make like a stiffer dough to make shortbread. So this is all that combined, and now I'm going to add the half and half, which is actually pretty much whipped cream. So it's 3/4 cup, but I mixed it with some milk. So it was probably about a half a cup of whipped cream, and then the rest was milk. This is the dough when it's all made, and then you take it out and you form it into little patties. They almost look like a hamburger patty. Bake them at 400 degrees for about 17 or so minutes. I sprinkled mine with a little sugar before they baked, and then I cut them in half and then served it with ice cream and strawberries for a chocolate shortcake dessert.